Hey YouTubers, it's that time of the year again. It's May 2nd and our fishing season opens on the 18th and I'm pretty excited. So I have one of our boats over getting cleaned up. That's not ours, that's my uncle's. Hasn't been used in 10 years. Then we got this boat I gotta take out and I have to dig through this and get out our outboards. It's 2000 Johnson 99 and a 1986 Evinrude 15 horse. So yeah, dig those out and get back to you. Hey YouTube, well I got the 15 horse Evinrude 1986 out, hooked up to the ears, ready to fire up. So just prime the fuel line. Haven't tried yet. Just want to take this and go that way?
Yep.
There she'll go. Hopefully not in here. I think I am. Now. Start of the year, on to the next one. Alright, now I got the 2000 Johnson 99. It's the one we've owned since brand new from the dealership. See if she'll go.
Yep.
I remember how to pull this one. And I'm gonna prime it. There, not go. And we are good. Talk to you guys later.